Hi, my name is Sophia and welcome to my vlog. My vlog is going to be focusing on traveling all throughout the world where we can talk about relaxation, drinking, food, and just having fun. The very first stop is at my hometown in Orlando, Florida. We're going to do a monorail bar crawl here at Walt Disney World, Florida. What is a monorail bar crawl? Well, that is when we hop on one of Disney's famous transportation systems, which is the monorail. It's like a train, and it takes us to all the resorts surrounding the Magic Kingdom area. The resorts include the Polynesian, the Grand Floridian, and the Contemporary. Now, quick little fun fact, the hotels are a little bit strict with parking, so this does make it the easiest way to hit all those hotels without worrying about whether or not you can get into the resort for parking. Plus, it's a lot safer because you should not be drinking and driving. Well, let's get started. So here we are at the Polynesian Resort. You may notice that we are not at a bar currently, and that is because it is absolutely chaotic here right now. It is a pretty bad storm outside. Florida, am I right?
Right.
Oh, I just realized I have not introduced this man right over here. This is
hi.
the guy behind the camera most of the time, but will be joining me in front of the camera. This is my husband, Matt. We just got married earlier this year, and one of the things we really love doing is traveling together, so why not do this project together? So our very first stop, he was here at the Polynesian, and it's called Tambu Lounge, and it's right outside of Ohana's restaurant. Now, originally our plan was to get a lounge seat upstairs. However, the line is pretty long because it is dinner time, and like I said, it is storming pretty bad, so everyone's inside. People have come back from the parks early, and it's just kind of crazy. So we got our drinks to go, and we're downstairs in the main lobby observing the Polynesian vibes. I got the rum swizzle.
And I got the pineapple mule.
All right, let's try them out.
All right, cheers. Oh,
Now that is good.
I don't think you'll like this, but
I do not like it.
it's a lot of ginger.
Yes, and a fun fact about me is I don't like mules. That is just not my cup of tea drink. However, Matt really likes it, so if he says it's a good drink, I really trust his intuition on that. I, on the other hand, like very sweet drinks. I love tropical flavors, anything with guava, pineapple, and rum.
Yeah,
You wanna
but
try?
if you don't like sweet drinks, this is a great one to try. Oh, that's great.
Right?
Wow.
It is a little sweet, so you probably get a little bit of a headache having just this drink.
Right.
But it's good to have a few sips here and there while we share this cocktail.
Cheers.
Cheers! Hi, we are now at hotel number 2. We are at the Grand Floridian. And now, I know what you're thinking. We skipped Trader Sam's, the most iconic Polynesian bar. However, don't worry, it is only because we are on the waiting list. We are planning on making a loop back around as soon as it's our turn. But while we wait, we decided to go check out the other bars.
Yeah.
So, to start off, we are at the Grand Floridian at one of their most iconic bars here, which is the Enchanted Rose. It is based off of the live-action Beauty and the Beast, and when they're not operating, you might be able to roam around and find some hidden mystical creatures like Lumiere and Cogsworth. So to get our drinks started here, I got the espresso martini, which you might say it looks a little creamy, and that is because I did ask for a little bit sweeter and a little bit creamier because I tend to like to hide my coffee notes.
Yeah, so pro tip, when you come here, if you like something more coffee forward or sweeter, just ask for it. They'll make it that way.
Yeah. And Matt over here got an old fashioned. However, it is the seasonal old fashioned, which has a little bit of chocolate notes and orange notes. I like a lot. So let's try it out.
Cheers. Oh, that's
delicious. Truly delicious.
Before,
Right?
before you walk, do you want it to go through? Because if you're walking, it will take the
No.
Yeah.
It is an old-fashioned.
And I'm not a fan of old fashions either.
Try that again.
But try my espresso martini. He does love a good espresso martini.
I do. Oh, yeah.
Delicious. So good. So we definitely recommend checking this bar out. It is so stunning, so beautiful. And to top it off, we got some bar snacks that keep us going and keep us from not getting too intoxicated because, you know, this is still Disney World. Keep it family friendly. So we got some truffle fries with their nice truffle aioli, and it is absolutely amazing. We get it every time we come here, so 10 out of 10, recommend. Great crispy fries, too. Alright, so we are at the Contemporary Resort right now where the vibes are immaculate. You know, it is a Friday night at Walt Disney World. If you are not having this good of a time, what are you doing at Walt Disney World, honestly? We are at the Contemporary Resort, which is one of the most iconic hotels. It is one of the first hotels from Walt Disney World, and everyone knows it because that is where the monorail passes through, right in the middle of the lobby. Well, above the lobby. But even so, it passes through the hotel, which makes it so special. We are here at Steakhouse 71, which I have actually never eaten here at the restaurant. I mean, I ate at what used to be here, R.I.P., and gosh, I miss their fish bowls. But I'm really excited to try some of their food. I actually got the shrimp cocktail to try out, while Matt got...
I got the burger. And it comes with waffle fries.
Yummy, we love waffle fries. And for drinks, I got the French 71, which I had to look down because I still cannot remember the name ever.
And I got the
Curious Cold Brew.
Curious Cold Brew. Cheers.
Delicious.
This is very coffee forward.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
I might need it because I'm kind of getting a little tired. You can't really taste the cognac in there. I'll take back my cognac.
I'll take back my cold brew.
Cheers.
Cheers.
All right, so we are on the rush. We just got our text message that it is our turn for Trader Sam's. We have 15 minutes. We cashed out a Steakhouse 71 as quick as possible, and we're on our way. Fingers crossed. Here we go. All right, big sad. We missed our window for Trader Sam's, but that's okay because we are actually starting a new goal. We want to stay at every single resort at Disney property, and that does not just include the Walt Disney World resorts here in Florida. We are including the ones in California, the ones in Paris, the ones all over the world. So stay tuned because we will be having that Trader Sam's visit. And when we stay at the Polynesian, we're gonna be checking out everything from the new villas to Ohana's Trader Sam's. It'll be so great. And while yes, we didn't get Trader Sam's today, we did hit all 3 resorts on our monorail bar crawl, which makes this a success. And we had so much fun. Please check back for more of our videos. Next week, we will be doing Epcot Drink Around the World, and that'll be a lot of fun. We'll show some of our favorite drinks to have at Epcot, some of our favorite tips, some of our hidden secrets, and just having fun. Thank you so much for tuning in, and see you next time. Bye!